Hi, my name is Captain Wanji of Fly 748. We always help people reach their loved ones. Today, I celebrate the fathers who make every journey worthwhile. From us at Fly 748, I wish you all a happy Father's Day.
From 748, we thank you and wish you a happy Father's Day. We know you're putting all the efforts and the guidance and protection to your families. From 748, once again, wish you a happy Father's Day.